Hello and welcome to this video on NECS 4, the hybrid cloud solution of NRB, the Belgian leading IT provider. NECS stands for NRB Enterprise Cloud Services. It allows a direct access through a single interface to the NRB private cloud and to the main public clouds such as Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud and IBM Cloud. The NECS platform aggregates all IT resources on one single management portal and offers a view on costs, compliance, and optimization management. In this video, we'll show you how to use the management portal, how to easily provision your servers, how to deploy them, and to keep an eye on consumption, on your budgets, charges, and finally, even to predict your future costs. I hope you'll enjoy this video and learn more about NECS 4 solution. And don't forget, in addition to the NECS platform, NRB also offers a continuum of services to guide you through the steps of your cloud adoption path. We offer advisory services, build services, and run services. We are at your service for more information about all our solutions.
By entering the Cloud Management portal, I am in NRB's automatic provisioning and orchestration engine. The first page shows the list. This list is personalized per client. It allows you to request automatic provisioning on a series of servers. The process for provisioning a Windows 2016 server follows the same principle as provisioning on Azure or on Amazon. I click on Request, which shows me a page requiring a series of actions. I provide a description with the reason for my request as required by my company's approval process. Let's go into more detail in the virtual machine. I select the network, as well as the parameters for managed operations. This is the template for NRB's private cloud. Let's look at the Storage tab to define the required storage. By default, the capacity is 80 GB per VM on Windows VM and 30 GB per VM on Linux VM. I can now send my supply request. I'm immediately redirected to the deployment window where I can see the status of deployments. I can indeed follow the deployment very closely. If approval is required, an email will automatically be sent to the decision maker. Once the order is approved, the deployment will start. In deployment, I can also remove the filters. I always keep an eye on all departments. And I can use the filters at the top to see only the machines in operation or the list of machines already deployed and running. The Deployment tab allows me to check the status of a particular machine and make changes. Let's click on this machine. I can go into the details of the machine. I then see its status and configurations. I can see how many CPUs it has, if the memory has been properly assigned, which network it is on, its various properties, if there is a snapshot in progress, and more. From here too, I can carry out several actions. Here, I'm completely in the infrastructure as a service machine. I can make any change. The list of available changes depends on the specific stages of the mission. So if I click on Reconfigure, I am able to change all the configurations that we saw when the machine was created. Add a 10 GB personal disk and send the application. Another interesting feature is the expense report. In the statement, I can see my budgets, my costs, and forecasts. You can see a real-time graph of the different months and the current month's forecast. An Azure use case allows you to create a VM with managed services on the Azure public cloud. Several screens allow you to mention the subscription information and parameters of the VM of the network. Storage, managed services, of the backup, as well as the definition of tags. NRB proposes the creation of an OpenShift cluster in pass mode. Different nodes will be displayed in an automated way. For each of the nodes, the user can specify the number of instances and the sizing. Bastion, Bootstrap, Master, Worker, and Infra. This concludes this short introduction to NECS 4, NRB's cloud services, a unique hybrid cloud management platform. I hope to see you soon for another demo. Goodbye.